Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to change wallpaper carousel in Realme device. Before we start the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. So let's get started. First of all, let me show you my phone carousel wallpaper. Here on my phone screen, as you can see, I have a carousel wallpaper. Okay, now let me show you the process how you can change this carousel wallpaper. First of all, go to Settings from your device. Then go to the search bar and search for Carousel. After that, you will see the Wallpaper Carousel option. Tap on it. Then again, tap on Wallpaper Carousel. Now click on the first option, Wallpaper Carousel Settings. After that, scroll down and click on None. Then click on Not Now. That's it. Now as you can see, Wallpaper Carousel is turned off on my device. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.